In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select Gear 1 instead. Now, from keyboard settings, select voice typing. Click on gray switcher next to it to activate it, and when you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now you can click on visible microphone, tap on allow in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!